Did you see that?
Yeah, but Gramps hides his formula under the floor, so what?
So every...
We're sorry to interrupt your paid programming to bring you this special educational announcement.
This just in. A new scientific breakthrough has been made. We bring you the latest news coverage of the new cutting-edge dihybrid genetic technology.
Scientists are working with Algebra 2 teachers to find the probability of possible genetic makeups of offspring. Now over to Frank with the full...
Thanks, Pete. The math used in dihybrid crossing is a process called FOIL. FOIL is an acronym standing for first, outside, inside, last. Try this problem at home. The first step, you take the first number or letter in this parentheses and the first number in this parentheses and times them together. The second step, you take the two outside numbers or letters and times them times each other. The third step, you take the two inside numbers by each other. And the last step, you take the last number in each parentheses and times them by each other. If you're doing this correctly, your next answer should look like this. X squared plus 8x plus 6x plus 48. Now you can find any like terms and get a final answer of x squared plus 14 plus 48. I hope that this has been a very exciting lesson for you. Now back over to Pete and Francis at the main desk. Thank you, Frank, for that enlightening lesson.
Shucks, if only I could remember anything my Algebra 2 teacher taught me, I would know what we're actually talking about right now.
Well, Pete, that's why you're a news anchor and not a math teacher. Now over to Lady Gaga with the genetics side of our story.
Thanks, Francis. Coming to you from Kara's front door, here with me I have Gregory Mendel, who discovered this new method. How did you come about this discovery?
I speak no English. No, I'm just kidding with you, home skillet. It all started this one sunny, but not too sunny day in June. Or no, wait, was it July? No, definitely June. This day, 1 year ago. And a little patch of my very own pea plants. And
Wasn't it between a tall purple pea plant and a white short pea plant?
no, I think they were definitely green. Wait, maybe they were purple. Or, yeah, I think they were purple and white.
How do you go about this process?
Well,
We'll just show you to re-jog your memory. The genotypes for the flowers depend on what traits they have. Purple and tall being dominant over white and short, which are recessive traits. The genotype for a tall purple pea plant would either be big T, big P, big P, or big T, little p, or big T, little t, big P, or big T, big P, little p. And the genotype for a short white pea plant would be little t, little p, little p. The genotype for the purple plant happens to be big T, big P, little p. Mendel, show us what it would look like to cross this dog with this bear.
you stole my thunder.
I can't do this anymore. They always give me the crazy people. I quit. Back to the main desk. What?
Oh. If you breed this dog with this bear, you get a dog bear.
Yeah, and it's pretty and nice and a pretty nice dog bear. Who are we kidding? I have no idea what we're talking about. I think Jim can handle this. So now over to Jim for the rest of the story.
Thanks, Francis. So if you cross this female pink spotted dog with the genotype of big P, big S, with this male rainbow spotted bear with the genotype of little p, big S, you end up with this female rainbow spotted dog. How did we get this, you ask? Good question. I'm going to show you. Using the FOIL method from before, you figure out the possible outcomes of the male and female could have, crossing out any doubles. Using the female genes, you act as if the two P's are in one set of parentheses and the two S's in another. Next, you use the FOIL method. First, outside, inside, last. These are the possible female outcomes. Now find the possible outcomes of the dad on your own. Your ending outcome should be little p, big S. Next, you make a Punnett square according to your factors. So this, you would need a 2 by 1 square. These parents ended up with this female rainbow spotted dog, the genotypes of little p, big S, big S. This one. I hope this has been a very intriguing lesson for the day, and have a wonderful rest of your day. And now back to the main desk.
Thank you, Jim, for saving our butts. Well, I'm sorry to say that's all the time we have for today. This is Francis.
And Pete, signing off. And that's the way the cookie crumbles.
Have a safe and wonderful day. Now back to your future.
Both timers go off in 8 minutes. You can't save them both. Choose. Hey, Jason. When this is all over, you'll come looking for me.
That was the most boring thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Mr. Shark, you rock! Give us an A!